Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am at the Bass and Saltwater Expo here in Raleigh for 2026. It's the last day of the show, but I figured I'd bring the camera this time, kind of visit some of the people I know at some of the booths, kind of show you some of the products that they have, and come inside and we'll take a look. All right, hey everybody, I'm in another booth here at the Bass and Saltwater Expo here in Raleigh. I'm at the Warrior Fishing booth, and this is Kaylee, I remember her name, and then this is
Ken.
Ken, nice to meet you, Ken.
Likewise.
So I stopped by this booth, I think they were here last year as well, right? You were, so second year here?
I think third year
here, okay.
I believe.
So they were nice enough to stop and do a little spot for me for the channel. So again, I just like turning it over to them and kind of talk about their booth and what they're representing. So please take it away.
Well, hey guys, I'm Ken Wells with Take a Warrior Fishing. We are a non-profit organization that serves our veteran community, both past veterans and that served, and also our active duty service members. We are a 501(c), so non-profit all the way. We do expos like this to kind of get our information, our mission out, so we can get boaters and warriors signed up. And Kaylee here will tell you the rest.
Yeah, we do one-on-one trips. We get volunteer boaters to come and take warriors out on the water. Again, active duty, reservists, veteran status, all of the above. We also have fishing events throughout the year. We're doing 6 events this year, which is pretty major for us. We're crossing state lines into South Carolina, so Lake Greenwood, you're first up. We're excited to see y'all. We're also doing Sharon Harris, Jordan Lake. We're going up to Kerr Lake, depending on where you're from.
That's right.
We do multi-species. We've got a bass event coming up. All of our fishing events are free. We just want to get as many warriors out on the water as we can. So if you have a boat, you want to volunteer, please connect with us. Our fishing events are free. We're going to feed you. You get to hang out with us. You get to hang out with a lot of other warriors.
We are cool.
Well, I'm cool.
I'm cooler.
These guys, yes, they're definitely cooler. We'll feed you. You get a shirt. You've got goodie bags. We've got epic sponsors out there that are donating tons of raffles and prizes. So if you want to come hang out with us, check us out at warriorfishing.org, and we'll see you out there.
Cool, and you're on all the social media platforms?
All the
Yes,
social media.
we're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and we do have a YouTube channel with only 104 followers. You could be 105.
All right, Ken, again, thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Nice to
Kaylee,
meet
thank you
you.
very
Have a
much.
great show.
Thank you. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.